Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking the actual user manual for frankincense and myrrh healing oils. So, can ancient tree resins really tackle modern health issues? Let's see what the sources say. Get this. Trapping the smoke of burning resins supposedly multiplies their healing power tenfold compared to regular oils.
This special infusion acts like a super anti-inflammatory, rushing crucial nutrients straight into your bloodstream and cells. One study even claims it knocks out blood inflammation caused by EMFs, like cell phones and Wi-Fi.
Now, if you're a beginner, applying these extracts topically for max relief is actually super straightforward. The manual gives us this handy quick reference guide for everyday stuff, like minor cuts or toothaches. For baseline topical pain relief, you just apply 3 to 5 drops directly onto the problem area. Gently rub it right into your skin, and then just reapply every 4 to 6 hours. Easy. But what's really fascinating is the recommended daily dosage for building up your immune system. To rapidly boost your immunity, the instructions say to take 3 to 5 drops right under the tongue. Okay, but what about medical emergencies? The manual actually pitches this as a first responder tool. The manufacturer claims slapping this immediately onto surface wounds stops bleeding fast and neutralizes any poisons. They even back this up with photos claiming insanely fast tissue repair on severe open wounds. Need to fight off a severe chronic disease? The sources map out a highly intensive daily routine. First up, you massively increase the oral dosage to 1 full milliliter daily for 90 straight days. Next is oil therapy. It's a 4-step, full-body application done right after a hot shower. You basically divide 25 drops across every body zone to maximize absorption right into your bloodstream. Done right before bed, this intense detox routine claims it'll have you sleeping like a baby. So, I gotta ask, will these ancient botanical protocols earn a spot in your modern emergency kit?